Hi guys, how's it going? This is the Kitchen Fairy with another recipe vlog. For today's recipe, for indorecipe.com, for today's recipe, it is banana bread. It is loaded with raisins, also chopped walnuts, and chocolate chips. Check out the full video and I'll see you soon again. I hope you will have a great day today. See ya! So this is 3 medium bananas and third cup of peanut oil and quarter cup of full milk. We're gonna use food processor to turn this banana into fine mixture. You can use fork in a bowl, you mash the banana, but I like it using food processor. The reason is that my youngest is very fussy. If you just mash the banana, sometimes there's a tiny bit chunks that he can see inside the banana bread and he doesn't like that. But if I process it into a very fine mixture, he doesn't know that it's banana bread and he thinks banana is just perfect the way it is, that you eat it as is, not into baked goods and whatnot. So that's how I trick him. Whenever there's a ripe banana at home, I turn them into banana bread by processing the banana into a fine mixture. Now we're gonna crack in 2 eggs into the food processor and we're gonna process it again until super combined, completely combined. And we're gonna process it again. For the dry ingredients, this is 2 cups of all-purpose flour with 2 teaspoons of baking powder over here, and here a generous pinch of salt and 1 cup of sugar. We're just gonna mix it until completely combined. Meanwhile, preheat your oven to 350 Fahrenheit. Now, our wet ingredients already done. We're gonna put it in the center. And then we're gonna mix this mixture of wet and dry to just combine. So do not overly mix. While mixing this, again, not overly mix, just combine. Add in 3rd cup of raisin, 1/2 cup of walnut pieces, and 3rd cup of chocolate chips. So just mix it and again until just combine. Now mixture is done. We're just gonna dump the batter into our loaf mold like so. Now we're gonna bake it until a knife inserted in the center comes out clean, about 40 to 55 minutes. Once baked, take it out of the oven and let it stand inside the mold for 10 minutes and then we're gonna take out the bread from the mold and cool it on the cooling rack completely.